I know, this place looks like a picture-perfect place to spend a week sailing it from island to island. And you know what? You're absolutely right. After we spend a wonderful half year in Mexico and Central America, we finally set sail to the South. South America, here we come.
We arrived in paradise, Blas Islands. We're gonna island hop a little bit for the next 3 days, I guess, before we start sailing to Cartagena.
So welcome on board, welcome on Sofia, on board of Captain Andrew and his crew's boat, where we're gonna spend the next couple of days sailing San Blas on our way to Cartagena, Colombia. So this is where we're sleeping for the next 5 days. So this is me and Maria's bed, our bed. There's one double bed, there's a little toilet. This is the kitchen. Pretty looking forward to that. I mean, this is just the first day of this cruise. I'm really asking myself, how can you get this any better than this? We will hit it even more special than having lunch on the boat. We have a barbecue on this exact island here. So, I mean, come on. You kidding me? Best birthday ever!
Day 2 on Sailboat. We had an awesome first night. Pretty cool evening. We had a huge barbecue on the island, and there was even plankton in the sea, so bioluminescence. It was just perfect.
Sure everybody gets drunk. Everyone. You wanted a beer, right? Where's your beer?
It's in the captain's.
It's warm.
Nah,
It's warm, man. Hey, bro. Good Debo? I'll give you whatever you want.
It is the day number 3 on the Sophia, and we're setting sail again to the next island, I guess.
Yeah.
Which is called...
I don't know.
Me neither.
¿Cómo se llama la próxima isla?
Isla Verde,
Isla Verde.
Green Island.
Isla Verde.
So the Green Island.
Oh yeah. Everyone's hungry.
Guess we're hungry for the last time. So, really cool. We just took the dinghy and went to the islands to bring the kuna, the rest of our food, which is really nice.
Beach pits.
Berenjenas al horno también y ensalada.
Un chocolatico con leche para media tarde.
Day 4, our captain decided to stay another day on the island.
So we have a whole private island just for ourselves. Of Caribbean
Paradise.
Yeah, of paradise, as you say.
Swam all the way.
this is how the day passing. It's just lay back on the ship, snorkeling around the ship, having some walks at the beach of another island. It's just a peaceful life, you know. Your encounter with the tortuga?
What's a tortuga?
With a turtle?
Oh, it was cool. You scared it away though. No, it's
Do
okay.
you like the snorkeling?
Oh, so cool. Got to see a shark.
First shark in your life.
Yeah, and I'm scared of sharks, so that was awesome. That was super cool. Conquered my fear today.
So the captain just decided that we have to stay another night, and everyone is so disappointed.
Let's fucking go!
El lunes, vamos a bailarlo, vamos a danzarlo. It's Ricky Baker on the beat,
Es difícil disimular.
Living the best life.
Oh yeah. What a good day.
What a good day. Couldn't be better.
Couldn't be any better. Are you having a good day?
Me.
Yeah.
Best.
The best. It's been the best day we've had.
Yeah.
What a beautiful place.
Baila hasta que la noche se acabe. Bailamos salsa y reggaetón. Eres hermosa y a tu cuerpo lo sabe. Que bailas con esa pasión.
So how do you like it so far? Is it cool? I think it's cool, isn't it?
Conmigo esta canción.
Baila conmigo y tú no bailas con cualquiera. Hagamos de la fiesta nuestra cita en primavera. No estamos para acordarnos de tantos malos momentos. Estamos para disfrutar y vivir una nueva era. La más loca, la que más se atreve. La envidia de todas las mujeres. Está soltera y también como lo mueve. Esa cosa sí que tiene poderes.
Mami tiene lo que ninguna chica tiene. Tanto flow que no se compara en niveles. Mi modelo de
Son las noches atrás.
Oh,
¿No?
it's so sad.
No.
And that's it. We are leaving the Sunplus Island. Now we're heading to Colombia, to our sixth country on the travel so far. But first, we have to do a super exhausting trip over the open sea. And the captain told us the sea will be a little bit rough, so we'll see.
From Sofia. It's the last morning and we can already see land up there. There's Cartagena. Yesterday we couldn't film anything because it was very rough. We spent the last like 36 hours on the high sea. I even fell out of the bed during the night. You can imagine. It was really shaky.
I loved it. It was so exciting. Met a lot of really nice people. I mean, the like passing the open ocean I didn't expect it to be that crazy in the beginning. Yeah, there was like 1 or 2 times where I was like, okay, this is gonna be my last breath. Mom, Dad, I'll miss you.
So as we're slowly coming to Cartagena, girls, how did you like the trip?
Really good.
Really good. How was it with seasickness for you guys?
It's fine. It's okay.
For you?
Also fun.
Was pretty okay.
It was pretty okay.
I have also my bad moments.
Wasn't he the one who puked?
The only one.
The only one. My little sea bear.
So as we are slowly shipping into Cartagena, it's time to end the vlog for today, guys, and I hope you enjoyed it as much as we did and the whole team here on the Sofia. And yeah, it was an amazing trip to Colombia. I hope it wasn't our last exciting trip on this journey, so I hope you stay tuned with us and see you next time.
I'll take you back to the front seat.
What was the best?
What was the best thing?
Something you will always remember. And Mona?
No, it was awesome. It's the most amazing trip ever. It was perfect.
It was perfect. How was the captain?
The best.
And the food?
Really?
Oh, the food was amazing.
The food was amazing. Yeah.
It's a good captain, but it's crazy.
Crazy good captain.
Yeah.
A crazy good captain.
Crazy good
captain. Oh, okay.
Place we used to meet. We'll take a ride on the last bus. I smell your favorite seats. There's those times when I don't speak. Then I'll sweep you off your feet. Let her ride on this last bus.